Hey guys, welcome to my first lunch meal prep video of the new year. Thanks so much for being here. So I wanted to share one of my all-time favorite meal preps. You guys know that I love making salad in my mason jars, and it just stores perfectly for the whole week for a really great lunch to have. So this is gonna be super simple, super easy. You guys know that my recipes are not complicated if you've been around my channel. If you're new to my channel, click subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe, and you'll get a notification each time I post a new video. So lots of healthy meal prepping coming up in the new year. A lot of people's New Year's resolutions are to get healthy or lose weight or be more active. So I always want to be more healthy, and so I love salads and I love my meal prepping. So these make ahead meal prep salads for the week are some of my favorites. So I definitely wanted to start the year off with just easy, delicious salad. So I have a rotisserie chicken. So this is basically a no-cook meal prep as well. Can't get any easier than that. So I have rotisserie chicken. I have some crumbled bacon. You guys know I always make my bacon in my air fryer. It's so easy and I like it super crispy, so you can make it as crispy as you want. And then I have a cucumber, some shredded cheddar cheese, and then I have my lettuce. I have my salad dressing cups, which I just love these. So I'll fill it up with my salad dressing, put it on the top of my mason jar, and then this whole thing is ready to go. I'm just gonna use some regular ranch dressing. These salads are really great. You can customize them with all of your favorite ingredients. I love to put the meat on the bottom and then some of the other toppings, and then the salad or the lettuce last, and then the dressing on top of that, all layered up and ready to go. And you can make it your own with all your favorites. So I'm gonna make this up for the week. I hope that you guys are having a really great start to your new year. And thank you all so much for being here, watching my videos. Really means a lot to me. So I will get this mason jar salad ready to go for the week.
All right, so I have my rotisserie chicken. I just love rotisserie chicken. Whoever invented them is awesome. I just love picking one up at the store. They're so convenient, just ready to go. So I'm gonna leave the skin on most of it because it just gives it so much awesome flavor. So I'm just gonna take some of the chicken off and put into each mason jar. So I'm just going to cut open the breast and then kind of dice it up a little bit and make it into some smaller pieces so that when I pour the salad out onto my plate, the chicken will be all ready to go, nice small little pieces ready to eat. So I'm just going to tear this apart and kind of shred it a little bit. And you can shred it with your hands. It's a little messy. Or with a fork, knife, whichever way you'd want. But rotisserie chicken, they are a little bit messy, but they are so delicious. So after that, I'm going to use my cooked bacon. I cooked it in the air fryer. I like to make a big batch for breakfast for the kids and my husband, and then I like to save some for anything else I want. I'm going to add in the cucumber next. I love cucumber in salad. It's so refreshing. And so I'm going to add that into my next layer, and then I'm going to add some shredded cheddar cheese. Like I said earlier, you can totally customize these however you'd like with all of your favorite ingredients. These are definitely some of my favorites for salads, but I love salads. I can definitely eat a salad for lunch and for dinner every night and not get sick of them. I'm just that kind of person, I guess. So after the cheese is in, I will add in my chopped up lettuce, and I definitely kind of make a mess when I do this every time. So it kind of falls out a little bit, but that's okay. I just clean the counters, so I'll just pick some of it up and reuse it. But it definitely makes a mess, but I'll just shove it all in. And you can be surprised how much lettuce and toppings you can actually fit into these mason jars. It makes a really good sized salad. Definitely keeps me full all day having these for lunch. So I am just going to shove it all in there and fit as much as I can, and then it'll be ready for the salad dressing.
All right, so my mason jar salads are all ready to go, all nice and layered up with the rotisserie chicken, bacon, cucumber, shredded cheddar cheese, and the lettuce. So now I'm gonna add in my dressing cups with some ranch dressing, and then these will be ready to go for the week. All right, you guys, so these make-ahead salads are all done. They're so good. So I'll just store these in the refrigerator. When I'm ready to eat them, I will take the dressing off, and then I will dump this over on a plate, and it'll all come out with the chicken on top, and they're so good. They stay fresh all week long, which is so wonderful. So I hope that you enjoyed this one. I hope that you're having a really great start to your new year. Hope it's nice and healthy. Check my channel for all kinds of healthy meal prep. If you need some inspiration, check out that, and subscribe if you're new, and click the bell button if you are new. Leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.